doing? Okay, so I hope you all are doing fine. And did you do homework and also the classwork for your teacher, everyone? Good. And what day is it today? Yes, so today is Thursday, right? Okay, so every Thursday, what do we have? Yes, so we have, what is it? Grammar Planet 2 and Hangout 2. Is it right? Good. And can you guess what lesson are we going to study today? Okay, we are going to study Unit 7. In the title, Unit 7 is He gets up at 7 every day. And you see on the title here, what grammar focus we are going to focus on? Do you know what is that? Okay, so let's move on with me all together, okay? As you see here, today we are going to study with the Unit 7. And the title Unit 7 he get up at 7 every day. And the grammar focus today related to simple present, okay? And I would like to inform you that I am not going to review what we have learned so far because I reviewed a lot of time already, okay? So I don't want to waste the time anymore. Just let's start with our lesson today. Got it? Okay. So everyone, before going on to study deeply about our grammar focus today, let me show you these two types of the roles. Let's look at the sentence in the box here and also the box here. What the difference? So everyone, when we use the subject I, you, we, they, and also the two name here. So look at the word get. Get here without s, right? Get up, get up, get up. But we do not add at all. But when you look at the subject, he, she, it, the girl, instead of the girl here, refer to only, we can say singular noun, okay, or singular subject. Got it? Without s. And stay one only a name, so we use with, look at the word get here, verb with s, okay, with s, gets up. For example, he gets up at 7 every day, she gets up at 7 every day, it gets up at 7 every day. Got it? Okay, that's a good. So let's move on with me. So everyone, we are going to divide the subject into two groups. So the first group is, what is that? Are, you, we, they, and also this one refer to the singular, the plural noun or plural subject. As you see, student with s, and also the two name or refer to the plural subject as well. Okay, so this is the subject in group 1, so you need to remember. And this one, he, she, it, the girl without s, and Steven refer to the name that has only one. So this one in another group we call group 2. Okay. And you need to remember that the subject in group 1 here, we use it with the original verb. Okay, so you may not understand, teacher, what is original verb? Okay, so I will tell you further in the next slide. Okay, so you just remember that are, you, we, they, he, she, it. Are, you, we, they, and also the plural subject like students, Emma and Brian. So we use it with original verb. Okay, for example, they eat rice. So you see it here, we do not add I at all. We keep the original verb or word. Okay. One more. He, she, it. The girl, Steven, used with verb as, es, and is. And then you wonder, teacher, when do I add s? When do I add es? And when do I add is? So I have the rule for you. So don't worry. Okay. So now look at the example here. When we use it with he, so verb it, we need to add s. Got it? We need to add s. If you do not add s here, you are wrong. Okay? But if the subject in group 1 here, so we use it with the verb without s. But in the subject in the group 2 here, so we need to add s, es. So the problem is, how can you know when do you add s, when do you add es, and when do you add ies? So in order to know that, so you need to go with me with the other slide. Here. So you see the slide. So you need to remember that everyone, most verbs, what do we call most verbs, we need to add s. We add s to most verbs. So you need to remember like read, eat, drink, write, look, love, speak, walk. So when we use it with he, she, it, so we need to add s, like read, eat, drink, write, look, love, speak, walk. So we add s. Got it? And the other verb that end with ch, ha, and h, or c and ch here, and also s. Okay, so we need to add es. We need to add es here. Got it, everyone? For example, watch become watch, wash become wash, fudge become fudge, and the other also end with s as well, like miss. So we need to add es, miss. Got it? Okay, so this one watch end with ch, right? So end with ch, we need to add es, watch. Wash end with sh, so we need to add es as well. Fudge end with h, so we need to add es. So you need to remember that all the verbs that end with ca, sh, h, and s, so we need to add on, and also z, so we need to add es to that verb when you use it with he, she, it. Got it? Good. One more, the other case, we add is to the verb that end in y, that end in one consonant and y. So we need to delete y and add ies. Are you see here? So I said cry, so we need to delete y here and then add ies. Study, we delete y and add ies, studies. Fly, we need to delete y and add ies, flies. Got it? Try, so we need to delete y and add ies, try. So everyone, I want to show you, at the moment you said, you may don't understand, teacher, what is original verb? Teacher, what is verb that has s, e, and is? As you see here. So this one, this box, read, eat, drink, write, look, love, speak, work, so we call original verb, or under name base verb. Okay, mostly they use base verb, but the easy word that is easy to understand, I can say the original verb. Got it? And this box as well, watch, wash, quick, guess, teach. You know the original verb or word that you use, we call was it base verb here. Okay, and we use it with was it are, you, we, they, he, she, it, right? Sorry, are, you, we, they, and the plural subject. Okay, and this one also the was it the original verb. Okay, you see. Got it? What about this box, this column, this one, and also this one? What do we call? Verb used with he, she, it, right? For example, he watch, right? He was, she fudge, she guess. Got it? That's so good, everyone. How clever you are. So you need to remember, okay? Look at this example all together. I drink water. So drink here, we use it because this one is the subject in the group 1. So we need to use it with the original verb, drink, right? Okay. They was the original verb, like here. Okay, the original verb. We study hard. So study here is the original verb. But you know when we use it with he, she, or it. He drinks, drink with s. She was because it ends with sh, so we need to add ie. We need to add es. So she was her clothes. It studies hard. So you see, because we use it with it, so study here, related to two letter y. So we need to change y to ies. Okay, and you need to remember that, everyone. If the verb that end with y, but before y is a vowel, so we just add directly, like the word stay. So stay, you need to just add s. Got it? Stay. She stay in the classroom. So that's why you just add s, because before y is a vowel. So that's why we do not delete y and add is. But in this case, you need to delete y and add is, because before y here is consonant. Okay, good. And one more, the other case you need to remember as well. So have, do, and go. So we use it with the subject in group 1, I, you, we, they. And has, does, go, we use it with group 2, subject in group 2. What is it? He, she, it, right? Okay, so you need to remember. That's it, everyone, for related to the present simple, or we can say simple present. And let me tell you about the usage. Okay, so we use present simple. When do we use present simple, everyone? Okay, so we use present simple as a habit. Okay, habit, you know, habit, something that happen again and again. Got it? For example, you get up. Get up is the activity that happen again and again. So you use what's it? You use the present simple, or we can say simple present. And one more, we use present simple in the when we are talking about the first. You know, first real. Okay, for the sunrise from the west. Sorry, the earth. So it is the real, right? Got it? Right, one more. The water boil in the 100 degrees. So this one also right. The real situation. Got it? So we use present simple. Okay, that's good. So now everyone, let's practice all together. Let's practice. Okay, fill in the blank. Got it? So you should pause my video for 2 minutes in order to do the exercise. Okay, so now are you ready to do it? If you are ready, now let's start pausing my video and doing this one. Let's start. Okay everyone, let's check the answer with me all together. Okay, so you see the word go here. So go end with what is it? O, right? So if it ends with O like this, so what should you do? Yes, you need to add E, S, so it becomes he goes, right? He goes fishing. Got it? What if I add I here? Do we add ES? No, we do not add ES in the subject I, right? Good. This one, she sit on the shelf. So this one is what is it? Sit. What should you do? Add I or not? Yes, add I, right? Because she is in the group, the subject in group 2, right? So we call what is that? Third person singular, right? He, she, it. So that's why sit here we need to add S. Oh, sorry, add S. Okay, this one we need to add S. Why don't we add S? Well, so I need to put S here. Okay, S. So she sits. What is it? She sits on the shelf. Got it? Good. One more. The boys. Look at the word boys. The subject boys. Boy with S, right? So when you see the noun that with S like this, it is in the subject in group 1 or in group 2. So we can go back. Okay, we can go back here. Here, everyone. You see, in group 1, right? Group 1 we use it with original verb. Got it? And you know already what is original verb, right? Okay, so boy here, play we add S or not? Sure, we do not add S, right? Because we use it with the original verb. So the boy play on the beach every summer. Number 4, the girl. Look at the word girl here. Girl, any S? No, don't have S, right? So don't have S. It is in group 2, is it right? So if it is in group 2, so the verb must change. So this one, you can look at this verb. Everyone, well. So brush, and with S8, right? So and with S8 we need to add S or ES or IES. Grad, we need to add ES, right? So it becomes brush her hair twice a day. Okay, got it everyone? Because it ends with S8. One more. Sorry, Emma only a name, right? A name in group 1 or in group 2? In subject group 1 or in group 2? Yeah, only a name like this. So we use it with the verb that has IES, right? But look at the verb here. Study, and with one consonant and Y. So what should you do? Yes, you need to change Y to IES. So Emma studies hard. Got it? Great, everyone. Okay, before I end this video, let me sum up a little bit about what did you learn, or what have you learned with me related to the present simple. Okay, so present simple, we need to divide the subject into 2 different groups. This one is in group 1, I, you, we, they, and related to the plural noun like students, girls, okay, parents, Emma and Brian, to name up. So we use it with the original verb or base verb. Got it? He, she, it. This one we call third person singular, or we can regard it in the group 2. Got it? In the group 2 subject, and also the singular noun, and also a name. So we use it with verb S, E, N, I, A. And the way how to know whether you add A or I, or ES, you need to look at this box. Okay, you need to look at this box. You will know here this box. Okay, so the verb that end with CH, SH, S, and H, so we need to add E, S. Verb that end with one consonant and Y, so we need to change Y to IE, S. Okay, good everyone, and that's it for today. And let me say goodbye everyone, and see you in the second session. Goodbye.